Hello friends, today I'm in Temescal Valley, Corona, California. Temescal Valley is a wonderful neighborhood and there are lots of houses over here for sale. I've added a downloadable PDF guide for you down under the video. Please download it for yourself. There are lots of houses over here for purchase if you're in the market to buy a house. This is a wonderful neighborhood. And today I'm with my son, Sam McCoy. He would like to tell you a little bit about Temescal Valley as we live over here ourselves too.
Temescal Valley has two important plazas, Calco and Dos Locas. Dos Locas is a shopping district with tons of very good shops, a play place, a lake, and lots of restaurants. And I mean lots of restaurants. And Calco, they're an enjoyment place. They have tons of movie theaters, restaurants, and very nice places to enjoy and live here. So if you want to be in Temescal Valley and you want to enjoy that, then live here.
Thank you